Hello dear viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I will discuss about transformation of sentence. We know that transformation of sentence is an important part of grammar. So we cannot help knowing the rules of transformation of sentence. But we should not memorize any rule. It's not the correct process. We shall just know the rules by some practical examples and therefore we can understand it easily and clearly. And if you are watching this video for the first time, so please subscribe my channel and click the bell icon so that you receive a notification as soon as the new video is uploaded to my channel. You can also like my Facebook page and join my Facebook group for more informations. You can also follow me on Instagram and Twitter. All the links are in the description. So I don't want to prolong my introduction. Let's get started our today's video after the intro. Dear viewers, I am welcoming you all again after the intro. So no more talking, no more introduction. Let's get into our today's topic. Transformation. Affirmative to negative. In the case of transformation of sentence, it has to be changed a little differently because it's all about keeping the meaning of the sentence and changing it. In this case, we follow three rules. Number 1, changing the specific phrase. Number 2, antonym plus according to the question negative or affirmative. Number 3, interrogative plus according to the question negative or affirmative. Rule number 1, if there is only or alone, it has to be made a negative sentence using none but for the person, nothing but for the object, not more than or less than for the number or quantity. There will be no other changes. In contrast, affirmative sentences have to be made by putting only or alone instead of none but, nothing but, or not more than or less than. Let me show you some examples. Only you are eligible for this job. None but you are eligible for this job. It was only a shadow of a big tree. It was nothing but a shadow of a big tree. They struggle nothing but for human rights. They struggle only for human rights. The book contains only 12 pages. The book contains not more than 12 pages. I eat not more than one thing in the luncheon. I eat only one thing in the luncheon. Let me show you the next rule. Rule number 2. If there is must or have to plus verb, you have to make a negative sentence using cannot help plus ing or cannot but plus base form. There will be no other changes. On the other hand, affirmative sentence has to be done by putting must or have to plus base form of verb instead of cannot help or cannot but. Let me show you some examples. You must visit your friends. You cannot but visit your friends. They must yield their boss. They cannot help yielding their boss. Rubel has to try his best. Rubel cannot help trying his best. Let me show you the next rule. Rule number 3. If there is had to plus base form of verb, you have to write could not help plus ing or could not but plus base form of the verb has to be used to make affirmative sentence. You had to visit the seashore. You could not but visit the seashore. The chairman had to stand beside the helpless people. The chairman could not but stand beside the helpless people. Riyadh could not help working hard to become successful. Riyadh had to work hard to become successful. I think you have understood. Let me show you the next rule. Rule number 4. Instead of both and or besides, not only but also has to be put for making negative sentence. There will be no other changes. On the other hand, not only dot dot but also has to be replaced with both dot dot and for making affirmative sentence. Note, after besides there will be verb plus ing, but in case of not only dot dot but also, the verb will remain the same tense. Let me show you some examples. Our head teacher is both funny and scholar. Our head teacher is not only funny but also scholar. Usain Bolt not only won the race but also broke the record. Usain Bolt both won the race and broke the record. Or Usain Bolt won the race besides breaking the record. Police found out both the clue and the murderer. Police found out not only the clue but also the murderer. I think you have understood. Let me show you the next rule. Rule number 5. Instead of never again shall, the affirmative sentence be made by putting for the last time and the present form of the verb at the end of the sentence. On the other hand, if there is for the last time and the present form of the verb never again shall be used to make a negative sentence, there will be no other changes. Let me show you some examples. You play for the last time. Never shall you play again. Never again shall I meet you. I have met you for the last time. Dear viewers, thanks for watching my video. And if you are watching the video for the first time, so please subscribe my channel and click the bell icon for getting all the notifications. And if I have made any mistakes in my video, so please forgive me and inform me in the comment section so I will not repeat the same mistakes.